Hello, my friends. In this video, I am going to give you a Kanbox review, an overview, and a great look at this platform that's going to help you automate your LinkedIn outreach, help you generate leads on complete autopilot. It's going to help you do a whole lot of things that's going to save you time and generate revenue. So stick around to the end. I have a free resource for you that's going to be pivotal in your success as well. The link for this tool will be in the description. Okay, we're over on the Kanbox website. And as you can see, the first headline that you see is turn your LinkedIn account into a lead generation powerhouse. And that is exactly what I am about to go over. We're going to talk about this website and what's on it real quick so I can show you exactly what Kanbox does. And then I'm going to actually take you to the platform and show you what Kanbox does. All right. So let's look at the features. You have the smart inbox. So it says better manage your inbox, network, and communication with leads. You have the full screen chat, and I'm going to show you that. You have message templates. I'm going to show you that. You have your CRM pipelines. I'm going to show you that. For sales and recruitment, visualize and optimize your acquisition process. You have your LinkedIn scraper. If you're ready to scrape LinkedIn and grab that information, those emails and things like that, you're going to be able to do that. You want to download your leads information. You've got the lead manager. You've got the LinkedIn email finder that's going to go out, scrape LinkedIn, and grab those emails of your ideal clients. You've got LinkedIn automations. You can put together automations and stage people in different sections, send them messages at different stages. Just put together an awesome sales process that'll generate leads and sales on complete autopilot. You've got automated CRM pipelines. You've got A/B testing messages, ways for you to A/B test your messages, see what's working and what's not working. All right. So you also have an affiliate program. Let's see, resources, blog, Kanbox. So, and if you were to come to this website, you'll be able to get a comparison between Kanbox and well-known competitors of Kanbox. All right. They also have an affiliate program. So you just want to comment here that you've got some testimonials. So let's talk about this one more time. You can import LinkedIn and Sales Navigator searches. You don't have to have Sales Navigator to use this tool. You can import post contributors and event attendees. I use this one all the time. You can import custom LinkedIn profile URL lists. I use this one. Data, duplicate free, data cleaning, and CSV exports. Lead manager, advanced filters, irrelevant lead detection, lead pooling within the team. Email finder, GDPR compliant, 98% guaranteed deliverability. That's amazing. One email found equals one credit used. All right, so automate your lead generation. Now, let's go down. Campaigns, trigger profile visits, connection requests, message, and follow-ups. These are the campaigns that you can create. CRM pipelines, automated campaign CRM pipelines, automatic relocation of lead cards, CSV exports. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Message templates. I'm going to show you that in just a second. personalization variable, an alternative message for missing variable information, and like I said before, A/B testing. Manage and nurture your network for new opportunities. That is exactly what you're going to be able to do. You've got the smart inbox, keyword search, member and conversation filters, bulk actions, filter by connections, contacts, labels, and pipelines, bulk actions, messages and connection requests, archive and hide, add and remove labels, and pipeline. Full screen chat. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And yes, Kanbox is for sale or marketers. If you're a marketer, if you're a recruiter, if you are an influencer, and if you are a founder or CEO. Does Kanbox fit my lead generation practices? Targeted, precise, and personalized prospecting, powerful and automated lead generation. That's all you need to know. So let's go over to the actual Kanbox app. I'm going to block out people in this list for their privacy, but I'm going to show you exactly what you can do. So this right here is the inbox. This is the inbox. Let me show you. I can click on this person and it will give me a big view of our chat. Okay, so let me click on somebody and it's going to take me to our chat. As you can see, we've been having a conversation, me and this person. I can see what this person is about. Scroll down, I can see even more. Kanbox pulls in the information off of their profile so that while I'm having a conversation with them, I don't have to guess or switch back and forth to LinkedIn. I can do all my work right within this platform and within this amplified chat. I can move this person from list to list. I can move them from stage to stage from within this chat. I can add a note. I can add reminders. I can add them to different pipelines, move them to different stages in the pipeline. I can do all kinds of amazing things. I can also use my message templates that I have already created right here, my canned messages, so that I don't have to keep writing the same thing over and over and over again. So isn't that amazing? And that is the inbox. Now let's go to the leads. As you can see, this is where I can import leads. I can import leads from a LinkedIn search. I can import leads from my connections. I can import leads from a list of LinkedIn profile URLs, a CSV file, attendees of a LinkedIn event. That is very valuable. Contributors on a LinkedIn post. All right, I can pull leads in and it will send those in a way that does not get you in trouble with LinkedIn. All right, let's go to pipelines. Let's look at pipelines. As you can see right here, here are the stages of one of my pipelines. Here are the stages of one of my pipeline, and I can take a person and move them into the different stages as we begin to connect. And this is very valuable. All right, let's go to campaigns. This is where you can automate the entire process. This is where you can automate the entire process. This is very valuable. And I think this is like probably about, to utilize this area, I think there is like a $20 fee, or there's a monthly fee to it. Here with the template messages, as you can see, I can create as many canned messages or templated messages as I want to. Now let me show you one more thing. Let me go over here. Now, this is the area where you can make sure that you are not going above and beyond what LinkedIn actually wants you to do. As you can see today, 80 imports a day is in the safe zone. So as you can see, I have not imported anybody today. Sending 20 connection requests a day keeps you in the safe zone. As you can see, I have not sent any today. And daily messages, 150 daily messages. That's pretty good. And as you can see, I have not sent any today. So that's what I'm going to do after this video. Anyway, and I'm going to do it over the course of the next few weeks. I'm going to bring you a video on each one of these. So you don't want to miss that. If you found my channel, like, subscribe, comment, and ding, click that bell because you don't want to miss any of this. It's amazing. I'm going to create a complete course on this exact tool, so you don't want to miss it. If you want to pick this up, you want to pick this tool up, look in the description and you can pick this tool up. My name is Antonio and I will see you on the next one.